welcome to my channel MIS with Krushna Pradhan. So today in this Excel formula series, we are going to learn averages formula. So before we understood this average formula, we should go first from average to average if formula. So let's understand the average formula first. We have set of numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If I want to take the average of these numbers, then I can simply write equals to average. Then I can take this entire column range. Suppose this is my A column. So it will give me the average of these numbers. Okay. So suppose there is another column, B column, where it is tagged with a letter A, B, A, C, D. Okay. There are two columns. In A column we have these values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And in B column there is a tagging for these numbers A, B, A, C, D. So if I want to take the average of any letter here, then what I can do? I cannot simply write this average formula to get that value, because it will give me the average of all these numbers. If I want to filter it with a condition, then there comes our average formula. average if formula. So syntax is very simple. First you will give the range. This range is your criteria range. Then in second part you will give it a criteria. Then the average range. Okay. So let's break it part by part. So first of all we will write average if. Then the criteria range. What is my criteria? This B column is my criteria, where I want to put a condition. Like I want the average of this A value only. So I can write here the range. The criteria range will be B colon B. Then what is my criteria? My criteria is this A letter. So I can write A. And what is my average range? Which column I want the average? This is my A column, I want the average. Then I can write here A colon A. Okay. Here I will get my average. Got it? So simple thing is that wherever we want to do the average of any set of numbers, we can simply write an average formula. If we want to put a condition to that average formula, then there comes this average if. Because wherever there is a if in formula, that comes with a condition. So this average if is an average formula with a if conditions. Hope you guys have understood this part. Thank you so much. We will just go to the Excel screen and understand its practical. Thank you so much. Hi guys, like I promised, we'll do the practical of this average formula here. So like I explained, I will take few examples. Okay, numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, whenever there is we have this kind of numbers, then we can easily write average if. Okay, we'll take the range, then done. Sorry, well, when we can take the average here. So if you see, average is 30 here and we have 30. Average if is something like that. This is average. Okay, this is average. When average if comes to the picture, see what it does. It comes with a this condition. Okay, wherever there is a if thing coming in our formula, just understand this is a condition with a formula. Okay, suppose I want to take the average of this number, but the condition is wherever the number is greater than equals to 30. Okay, let's understand this. Average if. See, first this is asking for range. Range it would be our criteria range. Okay, got it. This is our criteria range, and criteria is numbers should be greater than equals to 30. Got it. Okay, then average range. Okay, so I want the average of these numbers, right? Then take this range again and close it. We'll get 40 here. So I hope average is very simple here. Thank you so much guys. If you need any help in other formulas, well, just do it here. Thank you.